How to get rid of mushrooms in a yard. Removing a mushroom from your lawn will not prevent future growth, as the mycelia from which they are growing are still present under the earth. Nevertheless, there are some steps you can take to help get rid of mushrooms. It should be noted that you should never eat mushrooms you find growing in your yard. Many species are poisonous, and distinguishing between poisonous and non-poisonous mushrooms is difficult, even for experts. Keep your lawn as dry as possible. Mushrooms grow in moist areas. This does not mean that you can never water your lawn, but keep the watering to a minimum. In addition, remove sources of moisture such as wet leaves and feces. Water your lawn in the morning, not at night, to reduce moisture buildup on which mushrooms thrive. Pick the mushrooms before they release their spores. A spore is a reproductive body capable of growing into a new organism. When mushrooms mature, they release spores onto the ground. Thus, picking mushrooms before they mature can significantly slow the spread of mushrooms in your lawn. Spread a fungicide over your yard to help kill mushrooms and prevent future growth. Baleton and Ticonal are two popular fungicides, reports the website Get Rid of Things. Baleton contains triademophon, a mild toxin, and Ticonal contains chlorothalonil, a severe irritant. Exercise caution and follow the instructions on the bottle. Spread nitrogen fertilizer at a rate of 1 pound of nitrogen for every 1,000 square feet of lawn. Note that the nitrogen should not be slow release or water insoluble. Remove organic matter such as buried scraps of construction lumber and dead tree roots from your lawn to retard the growth of mushrooms.